In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Webflow. Start by opening the Webflow website. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, move your cursor over the project you want to use. When the project options appear, click Open in Webflow. This takes you into the Webflow designer for that project. Now switch to your Shopify admin tab. In the bottom left corner, click Settings. After that, look to the left menu and click Apps. On the Apps page, go to the top right and click Shopify App Store. When the App Store opens, click into the search bar and type Buy Button. Then press Enter to run the search. In the results, click Buy Button Channel by Shopify. This opens the app page. Click Install. After the installation finishes, you'll be back in your Shopify admin, and Buy Button will now appear under Sales Channels in the left sidebar. Next, generate the Buy Button for your product. If Shopify does not take you there automatically, go to the left sidebar and click Buy Button under Sales Channels. In the main area of the page, click Create a Buy Button. You'll be asked what kind of button you want to create. Click Product Buy Button. Shopify now shows your product list. Choose the product you want to embed on your Webflow page, then click Select in the bottom right. You'll now be on the customization screen for the button. Leave the default settings as they are, or make any changes under Customize in the left sidebar if that is already part of what you want on screen. Once you're ready, go to the top right and click Next. On the next screen, click Copy Code. This copies the full embed code snippet to your clipboard, and that is the code you'll place inside Webflow. Now go back to your Webflow Designer tab. In the top left toolbar, click the Add Panel icon. Inside the Add panel, use the search field and type Embed. In the results, find the Code Embed element. Drag that element onto the home page and place it exactly where you want the Shopify button to appear. As soon as you drop it into the page, the HTML embed code editor opens automatically. Click inside the code editor, then paste the Shopify embed code using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Make sure the full code is placed inside the editor. Then go to the bottom right of the editor and click Save and Close. At this point, the Buy button will not actually display inside the Webflow Designer canvas. Webflow only shows a placeholder block here, and that is expected. The Shopify script runs only on the published site, so the live result will appear after publishing. Now publish the Webflow site so you can verify that the integration is working. In the top right corner of the designer, click Publish. In the Publish window, tick the Staging URL checkbox. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the confirmation message that tells you the site has been published successfully. After that, click the arrow beside the Publish link so you can open the live site in a new tab. Once the live site opens, go to the area where you placed the embed. You should now see the Shopify product widget displayed on the page. That includes the product image, the product title, the price, and a working Buy Now button or Add to Cart button, depending on the product button setup from Shopify. Click the button on the live page to test it. Shopify checkout should open in a pop-up or in a new window, and the selected product should already be in the cart. That confirms the embed code is connected properly and the Buy button is working on your Webflow site. At this point, your published Webflow page is showing a live Shopify product widget, and clicking the button takes visitors into Shopify's secure checkout flow. The product ordering, inventory, and payment processing all run through Shopify, while Webflow is handling the front end of the page where the widget appears. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.